some Friday fun with Traders Unplugged. Joining us from the trading floor of CME Group, Alan Nuckman and Scott Bauer. Good to have you guys on the show this morning. Let's get you going with topic number one. It's a fantasy trade. Which stock is it better to go long with, First Solar or Green Mountain?
Well, I call these unicorn stocks because you look at the price action, it's not to be believed. I like GMCR. I think the Q-Cup patent issue has been overdone to the downside, and I think with the coffee price being cut in half in the last year, it gives them greater margins, and you've got to realize this was a $100 stock just a year ago.
Well, you know what, Angie? I really love First Solar. Take a look what this thing has done over the last 3 days, okay? Monumental, up 40%. But that doesn't tell the story. The story is in what the chairman just came out and said yesterday. Their costs, solar costs, are going to be down almost 50% within the next year. And he gave guidance for the next 3 years, which was almost triple what the street was really looking for. This stock, albeit that it's up 40% in the last 3 days, stay on the roll here. Look for this thing to actually trade higher than GMCR in the next 6 months.
Moving on to topic number two, a currency clash. The dollar's up, so is the euro. Which is likely to crash first?
Well, I'll start with this one, and not because I'm patriotic. I really think it's going to be the euro. There's just so much uncertainty right in that general vicinity. You have France, you have Cyprus, you have everything going on. You have the Italian elections going on. So the contagion risk is really in the backyard for the euro. In addition, one more point. In addition, our printing presses are a lot bigger than theirs are.
Well, the dollar, even though we have been printing dollars, so to speak, our dollars increased in value 15% in the last couple of years. So that hasn't had an impact on the price. The euro is coming back. The euro is still 130 versus a dollar. It's still worth more than a dollar. We could see a move, if we get above 138, we could see a quick move above 145 and 150 in that euro currency.
And if we don't see it hit 132, it falls right back to that 120 level.
All right, topic number three, tech tax. Facebook, Google, and Yahoo all serve free lunches to employees, but now the government wants to tax those lunches. Which stock is the better buy? And I can tell you the food at Google is awesome.
I love Facebook. And looking at the chart, it held at 25 support level. That was the halfway of the June range here that we've been trading in between 32 and 18. So I love it. We bounce off 25. I like the price action.
You know, I hate to admit it, but I agree with Alan. I really like Facebook.
That's a theme here.
I really, really like Facebook here, and for two reasons. A, fundamentally what Alan just said. Technically, right there, 25 bounce back. More importantly, I think they have it right now in the mobile space. Mobile is the way to go in the next couple of years. The sky, I don't want to say the sky's the limit. This thing should be trading back at its IPO price by the end of this year.
Bonus round time now. What Olympian is causing a stir at this year's Masters?
Olympian?
Wow.
Charles Barkley.
Thank Tiger. Lindsey Vonn.
Lindsey Vonn.
Thanks for being on the show, guys. First Business continues right after this.